And this is a nice hippie shop we're in. Wow, I like it. Look at this array, what a wonderful place. Beautiful, lovely, lovely, lovely. And this is why we came here. Ta-da, ta-da-da-da. And it's also a bookshop. Is this a bookshop where you can rent and hire or just take out? Book exchange. Okay, that's cool. Very nice. I love this place.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. Yes, we took off the bead. That's a tubeless tyre, that's why. Okay, so the tyre's off.
Special stuff that we use, they call bead glue. Yeah, over the rim.
Oh, like a lube.
Yeah, bead glue, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. And the top will go now.
Wait for it.
Pop.
So here we have dinner for tonight. Cindy's two-pot meal. This is the dinner.
This is awesome.
Spaghetti bolsh.
Very nice.
Bolshevik. Is it nice, babe?
And so we just found this little place. It's very nice. And we see they've got a nice koi arrangement here, collection. Look at these things.
How huge they are. With my hand, you can't even see how huge they are. Look at that big fat white one.
Got your hand. Wow. Look at that black one there, babe.
I know, he's huge. Look at this gold one. Yeah, it's coming right
Priggy.
up to you.
The priggy lady.
It's coming right up.
We're here for coffee and some nice cake, and Cindy's got herself a nice milkshake.
It's a vanilla.
Apparently you say it's the best. Nice.
Fantastic.
Awesome. Okay, let's tuck into this cake. Looks nice. Chocky.
Look how they shine in the water. So beautiful. Huh?
That one there is pregnant.
Oh, the
You
yellow
see a
one.
boop.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah.
Yes.
They all
I've never seen such
hovering
good
around.
koi ever in my life.
They must be a meter wide, a meter long.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty
Is it
guy.
koi a carp?
It is a ornamental carp.
Ornamental carp. How did they? And they just have this natural color.
In the beginning, they weren't like that.
How did they make
They were generated. Probably the Chinese or Japanese did
Oh
that.
wow.
Decided to have a braai tonight. Cindy's just making some mealie pop,
Mealie pop.
And nice salad.
Salad. It's got to be mixed though.
Mm.
And some potatoes. That's going to go in a braai.
There's potatoes in there. We're going to
In
put them in
tin
foil.
Yeah.
So that's cooking. And we've got the braai going outside there. I'll
Look
show
at the
you.
view.
This is our evening view. You can see the seas right over there. Over there. A little bit. But it's nice. And I'm just getting all the coals going here. So it'll take a few minutes. And we can put the meats on. We're just going to put burries on and have the salad and the potato. Gonna be lekker. What are you crying in the background there? Ah, booty and all. Okay.
So yeah, we have a
Right.
braai.
Just put the wors on now. So it's gonna cook. Smelling good. And Cindy has a surprise in the foil here.
Yeah.
Some potatoes.
Okay, so Graham, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody. I'm busy doing the braai here. I was known as the braai man.
So here's the braai. Look at that. Yum yum.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're busy and I've just dished up for Cindy, so I'm doing mine now. This is actually a wrap. This is the burry that we're putting on it.
Yeah.
There's the fire. So let's go and get the salads and everything. Cindy's is already, have a look there. She's got hers ready.
Yeah, he's tongue tied already. So this is mine. I'm not wrapping mine in there. I'm just gonna eat it. Yum yum. What you hiding? So Graham's the pig, eh?
So what did you call this area?
It's Cintsa East.
Cintsa East.
It's beautiful. Look at this.
Yeah.
Coming into here, it's beautiful. You can see the ships.
Yeah, there's a ship over there.
Oh, look at the coast there. How beautiful. This is
Nice
pretty.
coast, big sea.
We met a lady at the craft shop where we are at the Crossway Centre. It's what you call a mandala.
A mandala.
No, a mandala. It's like
That's
a
a
painting.
mural.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to check out the little shopping centre here in Cintsa East.
Okay, let's check it out.
I saw these. See this?
Is this like, what is this place?
Oh, really? This is clay, where you do clay and you paint it. Now look at here. Is this what people are doing? Yes. Okay. Wonderful, yeah. So is this what people have done and you've just, are they getting ready to send it?
This is waiting for connection, yeah.
Oh wow. Cool. Beautiful, eh?
Stunning.
I know, because we're in Mossel Bay and they had the same kind of thing there. A big hall where people sit and do it. Oh, it's so much fun. See, it's great they do it there. Huge big hall. Yeah, so it's a big thing.
Yeah, it's really fun.
We
Everyone's
take,
inner artist comes out.
we take him because we've got a baby little YouTube channel. Is that fun?
Yeah, of course.
Jaunti, I haven't got it on. Jaunti Camper. So. Yeah, but then you must know they're much taller than no one. They're like, yeah, that's nice. With the table. But you get wooden fish and you can put the glass, sea glass on it. You can glue the sea glass on a fish or something. See, this is cardboard. Look how cute that is.
And this is where Cindy's passion for glass comes to life. You can see her all over the beach, just picking up little pieces, and I'm picking them up and showing them towards the sun to look at the glow. All different colors. Amazing little pieces of ground glass. Amazing. Oh, it's a nice
Beautiful piece of glass.
Yeah, very nice.
On the road.
There's a zebra, and it's not a zebra crossing either. He's standing still, and not one of those painted on the road. It's a zebra, a real live zebra. Oh wow, babe, we found a zebra. Whoa! Oh wow! So here we are at our rest camp, and we're going to sleep here at the night, and tomorrow we're going off all the way out on our journey again. Bye! So I think it's about time we stop the video here. So we hope you enjoyed what you've seen and been supportive to all we show, and please like, subscribe and comment and share, and be yourselves and enjoy. Help us, look after us. From Cindy and Graham, we love that you help us.
I just want to say goodbye to everybody. Have a great week, and God bless you all.
Amen.
And yeah, enjoy your life and
Yes.
dream on.
Dream on. See you later.
Bye.